My name is James. I am a businessman and I have a big house. I have a lot of cars and I have a lot of money. But I have a problem. My girl is cheating on me again. All girls want my money. Until one day, I went to a coffee shop and I saw a beautiful girl. W- We look at each other and we fall in love. And we start dating and we got married and we have a beautiful kids.